The last bit of disassembly is to remove the heater and Klima harness from the bottom of the seat. This will include the relay for the heater side and all of the harness connections. We need to do this before we begin assembly of the new seat. We'll flip the seat over and get the last Klima connection undone. Goes into the seat back. Last thing to disconnect is the Klima connection. Just under here. This last wire is awfully tight, so what we're going to do is pull the pin on this guy, let the seat bottom pivot up, and that should give you the room to get it out. So the connectors that are left here, this is for the lower Klima fan, these two are for the heat, and this truck has factory heat, so this is a connector for the thermistor. Quick run through of the harness on the Klima seats. These are the leads for power and ground. This is run through a 10 amp fuse in line. We've got a connector there. This feeds into the relay for the heat. And that has a line going off to the heater switch. You get a low and a high position. Off of this tees the line for the Klima fans. This is the 2 amp fuse, goes through a blue connector, goes to the fan switch, low and high, back to the 2 connections for the Klima fans. These are the connectors for the seat heaters, come off of the relay. We are installing the Klima extension harness into the seat. It's one of the first things that has to happen. We're going to start with this single longer leg here. We're going to pop this guy up and slip this in between. Back together. This guy's going to connect to this connector in the seat back. Reattach the Velcro. Push that wire down. Bottom. The short leg goes to the fan on the bottom. And then this is going to go across and down through our pan when we install that. We're going to secure this to the hog ring right here.